try the Ferris wheel right here in Bayside, and let's see how this thing goes. Hello. We are getting closer and closer. Let's see how I feel once I get inside the gondola. Okay, now it is my time to show you the VIP gondola. Let's wait for it. How many VIP gondolas are here? Ah, just one, that's why. So you're going to get the VIP one? Yes, we are going to get the VIP one. Thank you. Ah! Okay, it started. Oh my God, look at down, look at down, look at down.
No puedes mirar.
No,
Para abajo.
no, I can't believe. Me too.
Me siento una cosa así horrible.
I can't believe this is like this scary. I cannot look down. I cannot look outside. But guys, you can see the view. The view is amazing. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm scared. Okay, this is the second round. I'm a little, I was gonna say I'm a little more like settled down, but still it's a little scary. I love it. And what do you think about my gondola? Isn't it amazing? So this is the view from my gondola. That's why I was a little scared before. This is the other side of my gondola. And this is Sandy, super chill. She was the one that was scared to come here today, but she's like more chill than me. And this is the other side of Bayside in a gondola. Look at the chairs. Red leather, I love it. Okay, so I was told that at night is amazing. So hopefully I get to ride this VIP gondola around 6:30 or 7, and you guys can see the nighttime as well as the daytime. The daytime is gorgeous, beautiful. Sandy, do you have anything to say?
No, I love it. You need to come and see it by yourself.
She's not afraid.
No, not anymore.
Now that I am more relaxed and chill and my heart is not beating like crazy, I can explain a little bit the gondola. So the gondola has leather seats. It also has an amazing speaker where you can play music. It has AC, very important because everything is closed down. And in Miami, you guys know it's really hot for the most part of the year. And it also has a TV. Sandy, now I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? I'm serious. I'm hungry. I want to have a refreshment. And wow, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. I'm afraid of all these little things that move around and take you to the sky. I don't know. I am not afraid of traveling. I'm not afraid of the airplanes. I'm not afraid to work on my balcony, which is 20, 30, I don't remember how many floors, but it's really high up. But these things, wow, they scare me a lot. Towering almost 200 feet above Bayside Marketplace, Skyviews Miami offers views of Biscayne Bay, Bayfront Park, and the iconic downtown Miami skyline. There are 42 completely enclosed and climate-controlled gondolas, including one VIP gondola, which is the one I used for my ride. This gondola is featuring leather bucket seats, a custom LED light show, and a glass bottom floor. Skyviews Miami will eventually be open 365 days a year, and it's always 72 degrees inside your private gondola. Each ride lasts 12 to 15 minutes, and general tickets starts at $16 per person. Honestly, I had so much fun in this Ferris wheel that I would love to try that again, but at nighttime. Okay guys, I think they are trying to be extra nice with us, and they hold us up here for I don't know how long. How long have we been up here? I cannot talk. How long? It doesn't move, I swear. I think because they saw me that I was like doing my film, my recording. This is how I see downstairs right now. Guys, this is our third attempt to get out of the gondola, but they have been super nice. So this is gonna be our 10th, 11th round, and our hearts are like, stop. Okay, guys, you need to see Sandy's face, please. She was getting ready with her purse, with her sandals, ready to get out, and they never let us out. Okay, Sandy, be prepared. This time we're gonna be like,
Bye.
I'll see you. Oh no, he actually said, here is the help button. We just press the help button and I guess they rescue you. Well, nothing wrong is gonna happen. This is Robert, the manager of Skyline. Okay, my heart's still beating. After this lovely experience that we just had, I think it is time to have a refreshment, something to eat, and that's the beauty about Bayside. You can do a lot of different things. You can go shopping, you can just buy tickets to go on a boat ride around the Miami area, or you can just use one of those gondolas in the Ferris wheel, or you can just eat. My favorite part. My heart's still beating. I guess I'm too old for these kind of adventures, and I can't believe when I was younger I used to jump from the bungee jumping all the time, but now it is my favorite time. Dinner time, refreshment time, and a lot of water, and see if my heart can stop beating this hard. And actually I'm sweating everywhere. Sandy seems so chill. I'm jealous of her. I can definitely do parachute. I've been dying to do that, to jump from an airplane, but seeing myself how scared I was with the gondola, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Thank you. So water for the nervous breakdown that I just had up there. Well, I think they're gonna have a DJ later on. What day is today? Wednesday. Okay, it's probably for Thursday, Friday night. You see, guys, this is what I'm telling you that I love about Bayside. You have many things: live bands, DJs, scary rides. Well, scary for me. Shopping, food, drinks. You have a lot to do here. Now it is time for my Aperol Spritz, and with this, definitely my nervous is gonna go down. Nervousness is gonna go away. I have been having trouble with my words in English. Okay, Sandy, what did you order? Okay, I think I was scared, but she ordered like the whole bottle of, what is this? Is alcohol? No alcohol, lemonade. Right? Oh, lemonade. My friend Sandy, she's the owner of an amazing spa here in Miami. She's the one that does all my beauty treatments, and she's telling me right now that you lose weight when you get so nervous. And I would love to go back then so I can lose a few pounds. Okay guys, so this is the end of my gondola ride. It was amazing. I know it looks very simple, but honestly you guys have to try it out at least one time. They were super extra nice with us, and they keep on going, and I was so afraid, but now this is the end. Maybe I try later on at night so you guys can enjoy it with you at night. So if you guys love this episode, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, and I see you next time. Ciao, ciao!